Yellow, here we are again on a Monday doing a backtest of the day. We're gonna do from the 7th of July. The weekend was my birthday. I was actually in Brazil living with my nigga Jaime, bro. A wonderful weekend, that one. I'm gonna do the week of July 7th all the way till the 11th of July. As we can see, we're in the middle of summer. We've seen a massive bull run, like massive. Very little liquidity to target on the upside, just what's there from last week, but that's pretty much irrelevant by now. And we have this nice downside liquidity here. But it's a Monday, and as you know, Mondays are usually slow days where everybody wanna get to trading, but it's actually the worst day to trade. So yeah, let's see what the market has for us unfold this week. Let's go to our execution time frame. As usual, we're running with the liquidator and the lower session timings. We have all of these long positions, all of these massive long positions, and these short positions were in profit. So let's see how we play this week. We're in the middle of the Asia session right now. It's on a Monday, right? So we usually like wanna start trading at or before London at earliest, but usually even wait for New York is better. Guys, big range a day thus far. Liquidity right here, liquidity right here. Ain't not harder than that, man. During the session, as you can see, well, this was Friday, but during the session now we have the longest trying to go higher, and then the shorters who have the liquidity here. These two levels like are the main liquidity levels where we're seeing the liquidity at the moment. So let's see how the market decides to react. There we go. Wonderful start of the session. This is before London. The market is breaking down. We'll probably see a retracement right here and then take London traders who want to go short. Price pauses. And now London's about to open next. We're actually shorter. So now what do London traders do? London traders, they're either looking to long whenever they can, with stop loss probably right here. London's about to open, 8 a.m., still very early. Or they're going to look to short over here and take price down if price does get there. That's going to be London traders' behavior. Fast, we sniped out. Now it's a good moment to long actually. I'm not going to take this trade because why would I do it? It's like Monday London and it looks very confusing. The first London traders are now dead. I do like the fact that the first initial longers are now dead, and now we have the second one. Because here we had speed and momentum, and here we had speed and momentum again. Let's see, price continues to wiggle, even deeper than that. And off we go. To me, there was no short over there. I wasn't looking to take that. I did not believe in that. This was all liquidity, and now we're targeting these specific lows. Ladies and gentlemen, this one first. If we get lucky, this one, but this one is the first target. Let's see what sort of reaction we get, because now we're gonna have the bounce right here, and we have this. Or let's see if we kill immediately. No trade for now, gents. There you go, beautiful reaction, building higher liquidity to that zone. We're gonna get potential London continuation shorters into play that came from that order block. I think this is a trap to fuck these guys, and this is gonna hold. Just personally, that's what I believe. But let's see what price does, because what I believe doesn't really matter. I'm not gonna trade that. I don't believe in that. Like, you know, with enough conviction to place a trade and say that yeah, all of those shorters are gonna be millionaires. No, price is holding. Price reacts. Classical wiggle. Reaction to the liquidity. See, not New York opens. New York wants to kill this guys. All right. Stop. I want to trade that. No. What a bitch. Alright, let's see what happens here, gents. Fucking trading view. Oh my god. I swear to god, I hate it. Okay, so look, here is the liquidity low. And this was like the reaction that we were having We saw this reaction with speed and momentum that took this liquidity, that took this sort of like range that we had been forming. This nigga's died, this nigga's died. Here we saw a lot of speed and momentum. Boom, quick reversal. Yalla. Was that the first 1 minute boss that we saw? Yes, but look at the size of these candles, Jens. Like, we hadn't seen candles this big for a while. Immediate boss, take it from here and just go. Take the liquidity of the day. All of the guys that were short, that were a bunch of them, that believed the market was gonna go to zero. And when these guys broke in, bruv, even more. Stop loss right here. Market said, you know what, haha, thank you very much. And the potential short from here, not gonna lie. We've seen the reaction. We still have this liquidity. Plenty of people are long. Plenty of people believe the market is the new era. Big candles with speed and momentum manipulating, pausing price. Shall we take this short? Shall we take this short, gents? Let's see. I might want to see some break of structure to the downside right there. There we go. Wow, beautiful. So we saw that. A few candles over here. Let's see if we get some sort of retest, because it's a bit too late to enter now. And if we do get a retest, what sort of retest we get? Right, would you short this? That's the real question. You have enough balls to short this? I mean, yeah, I would short that bitch. Oh, the thing, this is dangerous, but I probably have like my stop loss. Fuck. Shall I place this trade? Is this an A plus setup? Is this an A plus setup? Did I take liquidity from a zone? No. No, I'm not gonna take it, guys. I'm not gonna take it. Fuck it. I am not gonna take that trade. I believe price can go higher to build further liquidity into the day before price going down. Let's see if fucking TradeView wants to work. I did not take the trade, guys. I thought that was too dangerous. Now there's plenty of liquidity from here. All of these motherfuckers. A lot of the shorters are already done. These are London traders. Yeah, London traders. London traders have stop loss break even. There's very little liquidity over here. We might see some reaction. I might play this short. It's late in the session. We want to kill New Yorkers. Let's see what sort of reaction we get from price at this specific level. Wow, lovely jubbly. As you saw, we took this initial liquidity with a lot of speed and momentum, took that, reversed right here. We touched this order block. I do like this trade, so I'm gonna position myself with a 50% of this body candle and see if the market wants to give me sexy bananas, or if it wants to give me fuck all, bruv. 10 to 58 risk reward. Price pushes, takes that, and there you go. Without you, and price absolutely killed and banged all of the traders after killing all of the shorts. So I did not get involved in this trade. Unfortunately, my entry was not tapped. My entry was not tapped, brother. I do not see why my entry was not tapped, because I did GP the chutter and then and then you feel that? Ain't good that, bruv. This trade, no trade. I have no trades for Monday. I try to get involved with the market, but the market don't want to get involved with me. And that's fine, completely fine. The 4-hour zone. This one dead, kaboom boom. This one dead, kaboom boom. This one dead, kaboom boom. This is from Friday. Not last Friday, it's in the previous. There's no liquidity here, bruv. Like, there's just no liquidity there. Like, I don't see why. Like, price can so look at to long that bitch. Let's see when I can long that. Look, amazing big candles, bruv. Amazing big candles. We're taking all of that liquidity. Amazing big candles. And then we stop. And it's 9 p.m. And we start reversing. And we reverse. We bounce. I mean, I would not take a trade, but yeah. There you go. Yalla to the next day. That is Asia session. And we're about to go to London session. Next candle is London session. Right, boys. Quick recap. As we remember, we're in a massive bull trend. We took a lot of liquidity buy side yesterday with these big candles. We saw that break of structure. We saw this reaction. We're all the way up. So pretty much all of the sell side that happened yesterday is already gone. And it happened during Asia. It happened during all this motherfuckers' times. What originated the push? Whatever's right here. So we will see definitely some reactions right here. We will definitely see some reactions from over here. The niggas have stop loss right here. We will see some big reactions. I don't like those big candles coming into the day. So let's see what 15 minutes has for us. Asian range, a high of Asia taken. London's about to open. London traders, I want to see break and retest and go. Upside or immediately short and take this niggas out, but not too many are willing to do that. London traders are seeing that break and retest. There you go. Immediately kill the other side. Right. So this is where I go long. Why London traders? They all be short. We took that. We took that. And this is now where I go long, because with speed and momentum, bam, bam, bam. We took this. Big speed and momentum. We took this. We reacted, and we have this zone. Actually, I like this one. And right here, I want to place my trade. Tap me, please. Tap me. And I'm dead. Immediately dead. No questions asked. I am a dead man with a stop loss hit. Right here. I don't know why I took this trade. What do you like? So I saw that this liquidity was taken. This was out. I like this reaction. And then price bang over here. Boom. Snap me with speed and momentum into this is New York session. So New York session just getting started, and we are seeing people want to be wanting to long from over here, and people who are short will be shorting from right here. That's the play. We killed these niggas. We did this high. We went out. We didn't kill. We just reacted, and now we killed. Wow, mega bearish pattern, gents. We really wanted to go, so this was just fake manipulation or Asia to kill break evens and do all of that stuff. Crazy behavior, ain't it? Alright, off we go. That was Tuesday. We took a loss with this specific trade, and yeah, it's 5 a.m. We can still trade. Will this fucking low get broken? Because this is what I like to study. Usually, these lows don't get broken on the first one. You take all of them, so you took internal liquidity, you take internal liquidity, because all of these shorters, they're looking for that. Who's longing right here? Very few people are longing right here, specifically with that specific candle. So I am gonna be looking for a long. And if you call me crazy, you can call me crazy all that you want. But I'm gonna long that bitch whenever I get a chance. Is that my chance? No, not yet. Let's see what the price does there. Wow, there we go. Wow. So price killed. Let's see if I get my tab right here, bruv. Let's see if I get my tab right here, bruv. And killed. We got a reaction, papa. But then immediately killed again. We killed this. And we killed. Really, okay. Fuck this shit, bruv. This reaction, get this reaction game, bruv. But I didn't take that trade, bruv. Right, so Wednesday come in. Let's see the higher time frame, gents. We now have definitely been making high highs, lower lows, blah 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 blah. All of these shorts, they are in play. We can definitely see a break of all of this today. Definitely. We can either kill this or see a break of all of this niggas. So my relevant areas are very clear. It's either this one or this one that is attracting price at the moment. I don't think nothing's attracting price better than well, this one, of course. But let's see. Asia session, gents. Finishing London Open. Oh, to me, that's not trade right there, bruv. Like, I'm in the middle of a fucking horrible range. We're still ranging there. We took that liquidity. Nothing major. There we go. That I like. That I like. Yeah, that's it, bruv. That's gonna short. That's gonna tire. That's it, bruv. It doesn't need more than that. It does not need more than that, bruv. It did. Sorry, no trade for Wednesday, gents. Price is still squiggly. There we go. That's the reaction I wanted to see. That's exactly what we wanted to see. So we have this first day right here, Asia session. Let's see if we have London traders. London traders going short on that, reacting. New York traders going short. We're gonna go for that one. There we go. So we went for this one. Wonderful, and we saw a quick reaction, ref. So the speed and momentum, one of the biggest candles of the day. Price paused. Now we're seeing this wiggle action. Would you long this? Would you long this, bruv? Everybody's short. Everybody's short. Where's the stop losses? There's stop losses. Over here, I see, like, you know, bam, bam. All of this liquidity absolutely backed with a lot of speed and momentum. I guess I have to, bruv. I'm fucking scared of these type of trades, man. I really am scared of this type of trades, bro, not gonna lie. Like, I find them really scary, man. Because I might die. Or I might also win, bro, and that's trading. Because if you see, I mean, my trade's already placed, eh? My trade's already placed, gents. There's nothing that we can do. No, but yeah, we did grab a lot of relevant liquidity. Everybody's short. We saw this reaction. I have this target. Looks like a good trade to me, man. Looks like a good trade to me. It's gonna be dangerous. Asia session. I am break even, gents. I am break even. Let's see what happens with these trades, but I am break even. Asian session begins. Kills me at break even. Creates more liquidity. And there we go. London. Wow, that looks like an amazing short, bruv. Short that bitch, bruv. Short that bitch and take that long up, bruv. Oof. Opale. So, London shorters, they're all dead. We did this new high. We had some nice speed and momentum right there, did we? Yes, nice candle. Yes, yes. Pausing, yes. Bro, I'm gonna take this risk, man. This is worth taking. I'm gonna snap all of these motherfuckers. Watch me whip. Now watch me nene, bruv. Dead man. Wow. Price killed me like that. It's nothing. There's a potential long opportunity on Bitcoin, guys. That's why I'm getting distracted. This week has been horrible. 2 losses, man. For fuck's sake. I had 1 loss here, and then what? Another loss. Where was it? Right here. -2 this week. Let's see how Friday reacts. There you go. That's a short. Tell me that that's not a short. This massive candle, bro, just absolutely killing everybody, bro. And then boom, not much price melt. And that's the new range. Well, that was last Friday, actually. Right, so that was the trade for the week. We just got this reaction right where price stick to it. We got this, but we got hit to break even. But the liquidity pool was right. This was right. This short maybe was wrong, knowing that Friday it's at 4:30. I did not know that was a fucking Friday. That's my mistake. Thank you for checking in.